Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laserjet 1200 printers drivers in Windows 10 or any other Windows by the very simplest way. So let's go and first download the drivers. So in the description, we find two links. Click on any link. I am just copying the mega link. First link is mega and second is Google Drive. I am going to the mega link. So just copy the first link and just go to the any browser. In URL, just paste this link and enter it. Then we find two drivers, 32-bit and 64-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. If 64-bit, then just download the 64-bit. Just go at here, download, and download as a zip. Download as a zip. And your download is started. So wait for some time, and after download is completed, we come back. So our download is completed. Just go to the show in folder. Just drag it to desktop. Then just left click it and extract file and click on the OK. So here is our HP Laserjet 1200 series printer folder. Double click it, and here is our driver, and we want to install it. So let's go and install the drivers now. So first of all, just go to the Start, Control Panel. In Control Panel, just click on the Devices and Printers. In Devices and Printers, just click on Add a Printer at the top. Then click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the Add a Local Printer or Network Printer with manual settings. Click Next. In Port, just select USB port, any USB port or HP port. If HP port is not found, then just click on any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004. So USB port. Click on the Next. Then click on Have a Disk. Browse. Our drivers are on the desktop, so we go to the desktop. In desktop, HP Laserjet 1200 series, our 64-bit drivers. So here is our drivers. Click on OK, then OK. Then it show many drivers, and just find 1200. So here is our HP Laserjet 1200 series PCL 5. Just click on it. Click on the Next. Click on the Next. Click on the Yes. So click on the Print Test. If you want to test page or not, then go to the Finish and just go to the Devices and Printer again. And here we find our HP Laserjet 1200 series printers. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.